All right, so I think this is a 2018 Honda CRV, and this customer's complaint is the Sirius XM does not have signal. Uh, Also, I asked the advisor if they actually paid for the subscription, and they said they did. So I'm just playing around. I can't even get the preview on the Sirius XM. So how do we figure out if it's the audio unit or the antenna? So this is where I want to show you how we figure out if it's the antenna issue or the audio unit issue. And we have a magnetic antenna that we gotta disconnect, right? Sirius XM. So this thing connects into the back. There should be a little connector that runs to the shark fin antenna up on the roof on the passenger side. So there's two different ones. This CRV should have this connector. So let me go into the back and pop it out and see. Once I connect this, stick this on the roof because it's magnetic. If we get at least the preview back. So let me show you where it is in the back. The other thing you can do is to check if your antenna is okay. But I think this is a pretty useless test. You can do it. You can go into the self-diagnostic. If I can remember what 3 buttons I gotta press. I think it's power, daylight, and then the phone button. If I can do it with one hand. There we go. So we're going to diagnostic. So we can go self-diagnostic. You can see your XM antenna is green, which means it's good. But I feel like this is a bad test to check if it's good, because this only goes yellow if you disconnect it. So it's like a circuit integrity check. So if you had it unplugged, this thing will turn yellow and is it yellow? Yeah, probably, yeah, yellow, to say there's an issue with it if you unplug it, because this doesn't have lane watch. I don't think this thing has HD traffic either. So, and it doesn't have a CD player. So I feel like this is a pretty bad test to check if your antenna for your XM radio is good, because all it does is a circuit integrity check, and it tells you if it's there or not. That's pretty much it. But it doesn't really tell you if it has bad, like an issue with the reception with the antenna. And that's where this antenna comes in, and all you gotta do is get to the connector in the back, and then you just plug it in, and then just see if it works. And that's pretty much it. So I hope that helps, because the self-diagnostic is sometimes pretty useless. All right, so in the back here, you just got to remove this cover here. Some of them have it on the glass on the side here because they have the coils, the antenna on the rear glass, but this one is just the shark fin on the top. So what you want to do is you remove this cover, and then on the side here, there's a connector right here, and that's where you plug it in, right? And then I have the rest of it magnetized onto the roof. So we're gonna go inside and double check if we get the preview back. And it's also in for service, so it's also past due by 1,300. Oh, there you go. Nice. So we do have our Sirius XM back. So what does that tell us? That tells us that we need a new antenna. So we do have preview. So this customer also paid for the subscription, so we can also double check the other channels. Subscription updated. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, it's still on preview. Let's go number 1 hits, channel 2. Oh, there you go, see? Oh, don't want to. No. Demonetized by music. 80s. I think it's gonna have to update. I don't know, but before we couldn't even get the preview. Now we actually have a preview. But other than that, now it's if they still don't get any channels, that would be on the Sirius XM side. So she would have to call them for their subscription. But other than that, we do get signal from Sirius XM on this section because we got a bad antenna. Oh yeah, and here, now I removed it, plugged that antenna back in, and we're gonna lose signal. Just watch. But really, what you really need to know is if you're losing signal, just check your preview, because your preview, if you have preview, then you're getting signal. It's as simple as that. See, right now, no info, so it's not getting any kind of signal for the preview, because usually the preview, you're still receiving signal to get your preview, but it doesn't give you any other channels. So that's a quick and easy check if you have the proper tools, which is I don't know if this is a Honda tool. We just have it from Sirius XM to check for, you know, if your radio is, or your Sirius XM radio is working, just by plugging it in. It's just like it's just a separate antenna, but I don't know if that's the part number if you want to check it out. But yeah, but I think it's just for our Hondas. I don't know if it's for any other, you know, applications for like other makes and models, but that's the one for this 2018 CRV. But anyways, other than that, I am gonna go and quickly bring this car back in, and then I just do the rest of the service on this thing because it's due. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this video helps you for figuring out if your XM for some reason is not getting signal. Here's a quick check. So just process of elimination. Is it the antenna or is it the audio unit? And in this case, it's the antenna on the back. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.